So this is just a recap for live stream. Was it 2:15, I believe? And as we can see here, we've had a positive day in terms of P&L. We were thinking about the fact that we do have the president's inauguration. Also, we've got, I think the market's closing at around about 1 p.m. today, Eastern Standard Time. So with all that in mind, we're looking to shut it down pretty quickly today. So this is going to be the recap for 2:16. Oh, it's going by quite quick here. So 2:24,620. Let's have a look. We didn't take any trades on ES. We actually had a trade over here, but we didn't take it because we were taking actions in NQ. As usual, breakdown of P&L by instrument is on the right hand side of the screen. Picked up 3202 on NQ, lost 5582 on gold. So we had a trade through here with a fit target, didn't work out. Gold, where we lost, let's see, gold. How many trades did we take on gold? I think, yeah. So the trades on gold, we had a short setup here. We did mention that there was a risk of buyers stepping in because we did see buyers come into the market here before. So we went short. Price came up, took it off early. But because it wasn't part of the rules, I decided I'm going to stick with the rules. So got back in. So it's all part of one trade. Got back in and was actually the stop out actually did take place. Prices rallied only slightly above where I got out at 29.4. Price rallied all the way to 30.5. 11 ticks. Fairly, I suppose I could consider it significant for gold. Price then sold back. After which, late on, I managed to get a short setup. So I got a short there. Added to the position. No. Got a short, price came down to the target, picked up the majority of my contracts, picked up 21 contracts because I had 25 on, came back up, retraced, triggered the other 25 contracts that I had sitting there, so now I was up 29, then eventually came down and picked us up at 24.1. That's reduced the losses down to 5,582. Over on the let's just have a look at our NQ. Our NQ position saw the rally coming into the market, but remained cautious somewhat. Waited for price to set up. Price actually did set up, so went short, added to the position. Price came down, hit the target. So picked up about 13 there. Was looking at this area. And the reason I was looking at this area is because if we have a look at it, we had news at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Prices rallied, pulled back, rallied, again pulled back. So this pullback area from the lows to where our highs were, seen 119 points of range. So I thought it'd be an interesting area, and it's an area I'd have to bear in mind, especially as I was taking a short trade. Also the fact that we do have the 200 period, which could act as a bit of a support. As we can see here with these wicks, price came down, found some minor support there for rallying. Not very much, but it did rally off that area to retest this area over here, these highs. So that was that trade there. We did have the this short trade, and the short trade that we did take that we were managing over here is because we're managing the NQ, that's the trade we didn't take over on ES. So went short, added to the position, was a little bit cautious because, like I said, this area saw quite a bit of buying out of it. So I was thinking maybe I could have been stopped out, but I decided to take the trade as per my rules. And prices came down, triggered the target, went all the way down to this blue line. This blue line is our VWAP So had a rally, failed, retested again the VWAP, but as we can see with these wicks, prices did not close below the VWAP and into this zone beneath, where we rallied before firing higher, rallied 95 points. Because it didn't do that, saw prices head higher, consolidate above the 200 period, ran into Friday's pre-market highs around the 682.50s, pulled back, again pulled back, and more recently we can see we had a break here, high volume on this candle, closing above the level, pulled back into this area. We've had this consolidation. Could imagine there's quite a bit of volume conducted through here. Prices came into that area and we've seen a rally up to the 14s here, up towards these highs over here. And that was pretty much it. That was where the trades I took. We'll have a look at the equity curve. So over here we can see we've pretty much start every day in the hole for whatever reason. I always seem to dig a hole at the beginning of the day. As you can see, we're down 11 through a series of winning trades, managed to have a cumulative 24,620. So from the lows, we can see with this shape of this equity cumulative net profit, that was pretty much winning trades after that. We'll have a look at summary page. Total gains 36. Total losses, we picked up 11,636. So those were pretty much the gold trades there. Profit factor above 2. That's what I like to see. And let's see what else. Accuracy, that's a product because I'm adding 2 winning trades and they're working out. So the accuracy is going to be pretty high. But because I'm adding, as the trades are going in my favor, it's going to bring down the size of the average winner. And that's pretty much what's reflected here. Average winner smaller than the average loser. Over here, largest win, largest loss. So too big a discrepancy. I don't like to see that. I don't like to see the largest win being so out of whack with the largest loss in terms of ratio there. Time in the market just under 5 minutes. So not much anxiety it being under 5 minutes. But that pretty much just wraps up the entire trading day. What I'll do is, as usual, with these videos, I am going to add the live stream. It's only an hour and it's 1.5 hours. I'm going to add it to the bottom right hand side of the screen. So if you want to watch it back, you will be able to do that. I talk through the reason I'm getting in some of the trades. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.